Coronavirus cases are trending down across Alabama nearly a month into the statewide mask mandate. The state reported the lowest weekly total of new cases in more than a month. NBC 15's James Gordon joins us now with a look at how schools reopening may change that trend. James?
We may not know for at least 2 weeks how schools reopening may affect these numbers, but the plan is for a spike not to happen, but only time will tell.
At all Baldwin County schools, they are taking the face covering seriously. Reminders to wear the mask are everywhere, and students who have to wear them, second graders and up, are aware.
Some of this is a little bit foreign, but they've been living this ever since last March.
As advertised and warned, there will be positive cases in schools, and students will be potential carriers. Take, for instance, on the first day of school, Spanish Fort High School reported 9 students had either been diagnosed with or are suspected of having COVID-19. Those students did not attend class on the first day and are being quarantined.
We literally must adhere to these practices regardless of whether we're at school, we're at home, out in public. All of these measures need to be followed in order to keep these numbers down.
Health officials say face coverings, wearing a mask, and the governor's order to do so has made a huge difference. In the last 2 weeks, the state has averaged 1,401 new COVID-19 cases per day, which is good news for the state, as July saw daily averages close to 2,000. In Mobile County, the trend in cases is down, and so are Baldwin County's numbers. A downward trend worth talking about, but there's still a long road ahead.
Even though this number is down slightly, we're certainly not where we need to be. Our hospital numbers are still high, and even though they appear to be flat, again, these are still very sick people in the hospital requiring a lot of care. Let's don't let our guard down. It looks like we're going in the right direction, but we're not there yet.
And despite the positive news, the state also posted one of its largest death tolls in a day on Tuesday, adding 48 deaths to the state's total of more than 1,700. But now we're live in Baldwin County. James Gordon, NBC 15 News.